The Slice Mini Cutter. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Slice Mini Cutter with a ceramic safety blade. I've been a big fan of the Slice products and have a few of them already. These mini cutters are perfect for a lot of the retail packaging and opening up boxes. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The mini cutter has a ceramic blade and is auto retractable. As mentioned, these are perfect for opening up retail packaging and boxes. Breaking down boxes, I would recommend the box cutters that they offer. It's small in size and has a plastic construction throughout. You can see the Slice branding on the back and also on the front. And the blade retracts automatically, as you can see. And it's finger friendly, safe enough to the touch. Some of the features are that the blades do not rust. They're non-conductive, non-sparking, and non-magnetic. The blades last 11.2 times longer than normal steel blades. It's oil and lubricant free and safer finger friendly. It has a textured slider that will provide you a decent grip, a lanyard hole on the side, the blade change button, built-in magnet for convenient storage, and the ceramic blade has a cutting depth of 0.41 of an inch. Sliding the blade button to the unlock position will allow you to separate the cutter, and you can perform the blade changes. You can also see the magnet. Here's just a quick demonstration on some plastic packaging. As you can see, the blade has no issues cutting through it. And now this cardboard envelope. It cuts with ease. And a typical package. The Slice Mini Cutter is perfect for many tasks and cuts very easily. I haven't had many issues with it. They do have a version with a manual retraction if you don't like the auto feature. And as mentioned, for bigger tasks like breaking down boxes, they do offer box cutters. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.